Hi, I'm Ron Timmermans, one of the many hosts for the Florida Aviation Network. It's late September, early October, and the fall season is finally here. Excitement is building among the aviation community, not only for cooler flying weather, but also for the season of General Aviation Awards. Haven't heard of General Aviation Awards before? Let me tell you about these prestigious awards. Each year, the Federal Aviation Administration, in cooperation with aviation industry and the General Aviation Awards Committee, seek nominations for GAA awards to deserving certificated flight instructors, fast team representatives, and aviation maintenance technicians. This is a wonderful way to recognize individual achievements in these various aviation professions and endeavors. Here's how it works. If you would like to be considered for one of these awards, you can self-nominate. Go to www.generalaviationawards.com and follow 3 simple steps to download the nomination, fill out your particular achievements, and submit it all electronically. Whoa, no physical paperwork involved. Woohoo! And each year, the FAA's Flight Standard District offices choose a CFI, a fast team representative, and an AMT for recognition within their district. Then the local winners move on and compete regionally with all other FSDO winners. From that point, regional winners of CFI, Fast Team, and AMT awards compete nationally for the coveted titles of National CFI of the Year, National Fast Team Representative of the Year, and National AMT of the Year. The national award winners are recognized each year during EAA AirVenture in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. So if you know of a fellow aviation professional, you can nominate her or him. Of course, you'll need their approval and cooperation to provide background information for the nomination form. It takes a good bit of work to prepare the nomination, but the rewards at the local, regional, and national levels are very much worthwhile. So you have until the end of November 2023 to prepare and submit packages. You can self-nominate, or you can cooperate with someone and submit their nomination for them. Please don't delay. Get started now with the nominations for the General Aviation Awards, Certificated Flight Instructor of the Year, Fast Team Representative of the Year, and Aviation Maintenance Technician of the Year. You will be glad you are nominated. For the Florida Aviation Network and the General Aviation Awards Committee, I'm Ron Timmermans. I'll look forward to seeing you receive your GA award at Oshkosh next year.